Sanbonani. Today's word is taken from the book of Proverbs 31, verse 3-7. Do not chase after women and lose your strength. Women like that have destroyed kings. Listen, Laurel. Kings should not drink lots of wine. They should not want strong drink. When kings drink alcohol, they forget to obey the law. They take away justice for helpless people. Give strong drink to people who are dying. Give wine to people who are very upset. Then they can forget how poor they are or how sad they are. This passage actually reminds us that leadership, wisdom, and self-control goes hand in hand. The writer warns against things that can weaken a person's judgment and pull them away from their purpose. Empilweni-ke nje, we can apply this to anything that distracts us from living wisely, unhealthy habits, bad influences, or choices made without thinking about the future or the consequences. uNkulunkulu uyasibiza ukuthi let us live with discipline, wisdom, and compassion. When we stay focused on uNkulunkulu, ama-decision esiwathathayo actually bring peace. It also protects our future and help others instead of harming them. True strength is not found in temporary pleasures, but in living with integrity and self-control. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day.